Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's winter nail fest video I am going to do a new nail polish of the week in which I swatch one particular color on my left hand nails and just make it a super chill vibe video. So definitely grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me while watching this video. Also, I really wanted to give you guys a new life update because I'm actually over 37 weeks pregnant at the moment, or at least while recording this voiceover I'm almost 36 weeks pregnant. And it is just because I am pre-recording my videos a little bit because I am due in January with my little rainbow baby. So yeah, if this video is up, it might be the case that I'm actually over 37 weeks pregnant. I might be in active labor or a little worm is already born. I have no idea. I do think I'm still pregnant, so let's just go for the fact that I'm still pregnant. But yeah, that's just something I really wanted to do in this video as well, especially because I really liked sharing some like updates and do a little like Q&A form thing in my previous nail polish of the week video. So yeah, I have gotten some new questions about my life in general as well. So yeah, that is what I will be talking about throughout this entire video. But of course, as you can see here, if you are painting your nails together with me, you always want to start out with clean nails and go in with your base. I just decided to go for the Holo Taco Quick Dry Base. It is definitely one of my favorites at the moment because, you know, not everyone has a ton of time to sit and wait around for your nail polish coats to like become super dry so you can actually go on with your daily life. So yeah, I really like this quick dry base. I do feel like it really protects from staining as well, but if you want to be 100% sure you don't have any staining or discoloration, especially when using highly pigmented colors, like the one or at least the base of the one that I will be using today, you can double up your base as well, just for some little extra protection. So the color that I will be applying in 2 coats is actually also by Holo Taco and it's from their new collection. I love this one so much. I saw it and I was like, oh, this is so beautiful. I have to wear it on all of my nails. This one is called Midnight Owl and it is so holographic. It is so glittery, so shimmery. This one just sings to me. If you are a nail art or nail polish enthusiast, hoarder, collector like me, and you definitely can appreciate a good glittery color, this one is for you. It has a beautiful bluish purple base. It is a little bit sheer on the first coat just because the base that is in here isn't completely opaque. It is more of like a jelly with pigment in there, but not that much pigment that it's a one coater, if you know what I mean. So yeah, but you will see that while I'm applying the 2 coats of this polish. It is super glittery and a little bit gritty, but not too bad. It isn't like that gritty that a good top coat can't fix it or make it completely like evened out and smooth. I will of course be adding a top coat as well because this is a super glittery polish. It does dry really fast and it dries a little bit matte as well. So for the full shimmery glittery effect, I would highly recommend to apply a glossy top coat of your choice, which I will be doing in this video as well. But let's just get into the questions that I have been asked since doing my last nail polish of the week video. These are questions I've been asked here on YouTube, but also on Instagram because I'm on Instagram a lot with like behind the scenes stuff, anything like that. So if you're curious about that, definitely give me a little follow if you haven't already. So the first question that I've been asked so much is if I am going to share pictures of our little baby once they're born. I'm definitely not sharing like full on, like full face photos and stuff like that, just because there are too many creeps online out there and I want to protect my baby. Like both of my babies. I haven't shared any photos of my beautiful Aurora either. That is just because I know that there are too many creeps out there, and yeah, they are just not able to give their consent to be put online, so I won't be doing that. I will definitely, of course, make an announcement once my little worm is born. It might not be in the same day or the same week or even the first month. I'm really not sure about that. Motherhood is just very overwhelming, especially the first week. Or weeks, I have to say. So yeah, it will definitely be like up, but just like maybe a photo of a hand or feet or anything like that. So yeah, that was the first thing that I've been asked a lot, because even though I do share my face online every now and then, especially on Instagram, that doesn't mean that I will be doing that with my children as well. So yeah, that's just something I really want to put out there. Then something I mentioned in my previous video, but I still got some questions on it, is when my maternity leave starts, because I do have a regular full-time job. My maternity leave actually started quite early on November 25th already, like the 24th was my final day. Then I had like 1 week of paid leave because I still had like vacation hours left, and from December 2nd my maternity leave officially started, so I get like 16 weeks off of work, paid of course, from December 2nd. Then I also got some questions or more like unsolicited advice and horror stories of other people who had like really bad births and stuff and just trying to scare me or anything like that. But fun fact, I'm actually really not scared at all or anxious at all to give birth. I have already given birth once before to our beautiful daughter, who was unfortunately stillborn halfway through pregnancy. So yeah, I know what it feels like to be in labor. I actually know it all. Of course, every birth and labor is completely different, but I'm very open-minded and I'm not scared. I'm confident and I know that I can actually do this. My body was made for this, and I'm just very, very excited, more than anxious or anything like that, to welcome my second baby into the world. So yeah, I'm actually not scared at all. And also like horror stories of other people giving birth or anything like that, they don't scare me either, because everyone is different and everyone experiences labor pains and stuff like that differently. I will be giving birth in a hospital in Rotterdam because I'm actually not allowed to have a home birth because of like a lot of different reasons. I won't be getting into that because the video would be so long. But don't worry, everything is going great with me and our little worm. So it's just to be ultra safe, I have to give birth in Rotterdam, which is actually a 2-hour drive. So that will be kind of like an experience to go over there, like drive there ourselves while like labor has started. So we'll see how that goes. But other than that, I'm really not scared or anxious or anything. Then I also got a question, or like a lot of questions, if I will be shortening my nails because of our little baby arriving soon. I actually won't be shortening my nails. I have worked with kids, babies, changed diapers, everything like that, with like way longer nails than the length I have in the video right here. These are my natural nails, by the way. But yeah, I won't be shortening them. I will maybe shorten just one nail because that's more easy if you want to like delatch your baby once you are like breastfeeding and you have to like get your baby off of your boob. So that will probably be like one thing that I will do, but I will definitely keep most of the length of my nails, just because it is pretty much part of my identity. Like, I don't like short nails on myself. And I've had long nails, long natural nails ever since I was 14 years old, and I'm 33 right now. So yeah, I don't really feel like myself with short nails. But I do have a couple of more questions, but I will try to do that in the next nail polish of the week video because my video is already at its end. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments regarding anything, let me know in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you next time.